Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing a review of a fully automatic liquid level controller, and in this I will tell you how with the help of a programmable controllable timer you are able to fix the timing of your opening and the closing time of your motors, pumping motors, which will pump your water to the top of the tanks or the bottom of the tanks, wherever you have any tank in your home. So with this system you don't even have to touch the switch even a single period of time. It will work on automatically, and it will sense the fulfillment of the tank, and if the tank is getting empty, it will turn up the motor based upon the requirement. So I'll just start the video. So basically what is the input for this is the input for this particular thing is a 220 volt supply. So basically I have given a 220 volt supply from here. So this is an 16 ampere switch, and from here because generally the motor is going to be very big, so I have given a single phase 16 ampere switch to the 220 volt, and from here it is going in this programmable controllable. So I'll just switch on the switch here and it will switch it on, and as you can see here it will come out to be having a 59 minutes of timer. So basically in this section you have many options. Like if I go in the menu of this, just let me open the menu of this. Yes, so basically you have a program model, sleep mode, change mode. So this particular Acuner, and which is a programmable controllable timer, you can use it with a different varieties of mode. For example, as of now I've used the program mode. So if I go inside of this, you have a timer to set. So I have already set up the timer. I'll come back to home. Next is I will show you that there is a sleep mode, so you can even set a sleep mode, enable and disable. And another one is the last one, which is a change mode, and within this there are other things as well. So if you want to change the mode, there are many modes available. So if you want to have kind of situation where you want a 7 days let me just zoom it, 7 days on and off cycle, then you can use that one. You can have also have an off time. Let me just open it again. So off time, timer and periodic. As of now I selected a timer, which is only for 59 minutes, and you can also select the periodic ones, and you can also select the time which is okay with you. Let's say you want to use this particular thing for starting and stopping of your motors for like or any of the lights in your home for like 5 or 10 minutes, or let's say the whole night for like 3 or 4 hours. You can use this timer control. So it is very small, it can be fixed anywhere, and as of now I use it for a pumping motor, which is this is the particularly what we can say is a liquid level controller. And in this basically there is a starter and stop. So this is a start button, this is a stop button here, and in the start and stop button there is an option for you to operate it in the auto mode and a manual mode. So whenever I give a start to this, so if you can see here, there's a power button mentioned here. So I will just press the power button, and it will show you the level. So basically these bottom two are showing a level of the tank, which is this one, and this B1 and G1 are showing the tank of an overhead tank. So basically both of these tank, it is showing you a level. All these wires which are going from here to there are going in the tank of either the overhead tank or an underground tank. I have used currently both the tanks as an overhead tanks. So once the water level falls, the motor will automatically start. So as of now, as you can see, it's on the auto mode. So once the water level falls, it will automatically start the system and start filling the water. It will run for about, as you can see here, it will run for about 59 minutes, and post that 59 minutes the timer will automatically stop. And before 59 minutes, if this particular thing is sensing that the water is full in the tank, then it will automatically switch it off from here itself. Doesn't matter. So as of now, as you can see, the motor is not running. Even the power is coming from this, the motor is not running. There's a motor on sign is there, which is a green signal, which is not running as of now. So you can say that this particular thing is not working as of now. But if you want to put it in a manual mode, you can select the manual mode right from here, and if you put the start button, then it will start. So manually also you can use the motor, and generally I put it in auto mode so that things are easy for me. I don't have to even touch the system at all, and it starts filling automatically, and it fills the tank, and it automatically switches off. So this is all about it, and this particular thing combined are giving this kind of an operation. I will give the link of both of these things in the description if you want to see it through and you want to buy it for your own purposes. You can go with that. Also, I would like to add you here that this can save a lot of water. Like you might have seen water flowing out of the tank on some of the people's homes. So this thing can help you avoid that. This thing can help you fixing that the motor doesn't runs for more than 1 hour or 1 hour or 20 minutes or something. So as of now, my timer which I have set is 1 hour. You can even set the timer whenever the water comes at your home, and in this case you cannot set the timer. In this case you can only select the level analysis, like the liquid level, but here you can set the timers. You can set any day, any time. If you are available on Sundays, you can switch it off on Sunday. So it has a many options, as I have already shown you. If I already go and show you, then you can see here in the change mode you will see many options. So out of these options you can easily take up the option which is most preferable to you, and with that you can easily use this particular operations with an programmable controllable timer with a liquid level controller. So that's it guys in this video, and I hope you like the video, and if you have any doubts, just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answering them, all of them, and see you in the next video.